Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial you will learn how to reset your AirPods. You might need to reset your AirPods if you can't connect to them, if they won't charge, or to fix a different issue. Let's start by putting your AirPods in the case and closing the lid. Wait for 30 seconds and open the lid. On your phone, go to Settings, Bluetooth, tap the info icon next to AirPods, and then tap Forget this device. Tap Confirm. Now with the lid open, press and hold the Setup button on the back of the AirPods case until you see the status light flashing amber. Now, move the case closer to your phone and you'll see the notification to connect pop up. That's it. A very simple way to do this. What else do you want to know about AirPods? If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.